Hello everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here to share the coolest project ever. This one I'm calling Snapshots. I'm sure you can tell right off the bat that it's a camera and it's just super cool. I dialed it up, I did it up with a shaker element in the lens. I am currently obsessed with shaker elements in my project. Again, putting a twist on oldies but goodies and incorporating them into things that I like to do, which are albums and three-dimensional projects. So this project, again, called titled Snapshots, it's so fabulous. I hope that you notice that I decorated this in a non-traditional way, all right, or in a non-traditional fashion. Typically, when you see a camera, it's black and silver or chrome-like because that's what cameras look like in real life. But I did this in a non-traditional way. Why? Because I want you to think about theme-based cameras. How super cool would this look in a Disney theme? Even in an elegant theme such as a wedding camera, it would be so absolutely cute, and it's just fabulous. I love it. I hope you all love it as well. Uh, it holds an album, of course. I want to make it clear that, especially for my Kit Club members, that I sized this camera to fit the picture perfect albums, the volumes 1 through 4. However, for my Kit Club members, there's going to be an album that specifically goes into this camera. For those who are not in my Kit Club, you can also pick that up. However, it would be two separate purchases for non-Kit Club members. It would be the camera and then the album that goes into the camera. And you're going to want it because I'm going to show you how to make a shaker album cover, which you will be able to apply to all sorts of album covers. All right. So it opens up, just in case you're wondering, like so. It's completely done with a camera strap. I put the camera strap on the bottom so that when you lay it flat, you see how it tucks under and it's not in the way, as opposed to it being over the top, which would take up about, let's see, like this much space. In the back and over the bottom, it's perfect. It doesn't take up too much space. And when you sit it up, it goes behind and you get that kind of look. And again, it's not in the way. We've got all sorts of super cute elements here for the camera. These are all handmade, all made out of cardstock. I show you how to do it in the tutorial. The closure is a magnetized closure. This is a reinforcement to the closure because it is a box and it's completely finished on the inside. Really beautiful. You have several closure options. You can embed magnets in here. See, it's finished here as well as here. Or you can do the flash, if you will, as a closure along in conjunction with the magnet closure recessed or embedded here. And the reason why I'm saying that is because this is really top heavy. All right, I didn't make these elements hollow. They are completely solid. All right, so this is not a hollow style camera lens. It's completely solid and it's top heavy. So until you put an album in there, it's not going to balance out the weight. So therefore, I put this flash on top just, to balance it out. While you're working on your album, I guess, and it completely finishes off the project. I mean, a camera is not complete without a flash element. So again, completely untraditional. I've got a sentiment for the flash. You can absolutely tell that is the flash element of the camera. The lens is a shaker box, and it's decorated completely untraditional. So I want you to again think outside the box. Make this a theme-based camera for absolutely any occasion. We take pictures for absolutely every single occasion in our lives. So this will apply to whichever one you want to deck it out for. And this also makes a great masculine project. All right. So if you're thinking about if you're thinking about masculine projects and you're wondering what would be super cool, this is it, guys, right here. It's called Snapshots, and I'll link you down below to your purchase options. And I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and until next time.